Hello, I'm the Northman. Welcome to today's video. I hope that you are doing well. Let's get into today's article. It says XRP price prediction. Analysts predict 3% target in 2026 despite slow start. XRP price prediction. Token could reach $3 in 2026 as Ripple expands banking services and tests new EVM sidechain despite slow early adoption and minimal current activity. The main points are XRP's new Ethereum virtual machine sidechain launched in mid-2025, but certainly currently shows minimal activity, under $50,000 in total value locked. Ripple launched several companies in 2025, including Hidden Road Prime Broker and Raid Payments platform to expand its service offerings. The company launched Ripple USD Stablecoin and is reportedly pursuing a US National Bank charter and Federal Reserve master account. Digital asset treasury companies are expected to continue buying XRP through 2026, adding to demand pressure. Analysts predict XRP could reach $3 in 2026, up from current levels around 2.15, though the path forward may be gradual rather than explosive. XRP traded near 2.15 in early January 2026 after hitting an all-time high of $3.65 in 2025. The cryptocurrency has seen mixed activity in recent months as new infrastructure gets tested. And here you can see how the price has evolved during the month of January. The XRP ledger launched its Ethereum virtual machine sidechain in mid-2025. This allows developers to build smart contracts using familiar Ethereum tools rather than learning new programming languages. The feature lowers barriers for developers who might want to build on XRP network. However, early adoption has been slow. On January 7th, the EVM sidechain generated just $38 in chain revenue. As of January 8th, less than $50,000 in total value locked existed on the sidechain. This indicates minimal economic activity so far. The lack of immediate attraction doesn't mean the technology won't gain users over time. Other blockchains offer EVM compatibility, so XRP needs compelling reasons for developers and capital to choose its network over alternatives. Ripple, the company behind XRP, made several acquisitions in 2025. The company purchased Hidden Road, a prime broker, along with a crypto custody company and payments firm. These purchases aim to provide more services to potential clients. Ripple stablecoin and banking push. Sorry. Ripple's also launched its native stablecoin called Ripple USD in 2025. The stablecoin could give financial institutions more liquidity for trading and settlement activities. If banks and other clients adopt Ripple USD in their workflow, it might bring other traffic and more to the XRP ledger. The company has reportedly applied for a US National Bank charter. Ripple is also pursuing a Federal Reserve master account for custody infrastructure related to its stablecoin efforts. These moves position Ripple more like a traditional financial institution. Financial institutions typically move slowly when adopting new technologies. This conservative approach means any growth in XRP adoption will likely happen gradually rather than all at once. Price prediction and market dynamics. Some analysts predict XRP will reach at least $3 during 2026. This represents an increase of roughly 40% from current price levels around 2.15. The prediction is based on several factors working together rather than one major catalyst. Digital asset treasury companies have been purchasing XRP and are expected to continue buying throughout 2026. These purchases are consistent demand pressure to the market. Growth in EVM sidechain activity would likely push prices higher, More developers building applications and more capital flowing into the network would demonstrate real-world utility. Ripple's expanding business relationships with financial institutions could also support price gains. New pilot programs or client announcements might provide periodic upward momentum. The company's 2025 acquisitions give it more tools to offer potential clients. Announcing additional acquisitions or showing user growth from previous purchases could impact XRP's value. Current market position. XRP's market capitalization stands around 126 billion. The large size means individual announcements are less likely to cause dramatic price swings compared to smaller cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency's 52-week average spans from 165 to 365. Trading volume remains active with billions of dollars changing hands daily. Cryptocurrency prices can improve technology and expand usage without corresponding price. Token price increases. This disconnect between network improvements and price action happens periodically across major cryptocurrencies, including XRP and Bitcoin and Ethereum, and so on and so forth. That was the article. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I wish you a wonderful day, and I will see you again tomorrow.